Hi guys, so today I'm going to do this rainbow zebra print design. So you need a few things before you get started. I have painted my nails white. I've got a kitchen towel over to the side with some polish remover and a striping brush, and this is of course so that I can clean my brush in between each of the colours. And off to the side I have my 6 shades. So depending on the length of the nail is going to kind of depend how many stripes you can fit in. Some colours I've managed to do 2 sort of zebra stripes of each, and other colours just 1. You're just going to have to fit it to your nail. Lastly, over the top we're going to apply this scattered silver hollow.